higa mar 2022 joyal buche mag doho maduong' mogik oketo kinde mag Raila Odinga kod ji mamoko makwedo yiero mondo mi oler wach moko mane wuok e neno kane gipedho nyim.
Bedo kwayo ler ewi kaka chungo yiero makom gavana Mombasa kod Kakamega kod kuonde mamoko auchiel dibedi ne omiyo ji mawuok mar goyo ombulu ne obedo manok.
What is the relevance of rejected votes when computing the results or the outcome of a vote? The relevance of rejected votes. The postponement of elections in certain areas, and you say this resulted in voter suppression. That people wake up one morning to go and vote for a particular category of candidates. Do we have any scientific nexus on this, or is it just an assumption that this happens?
Korka kore jal bura Jokindungu omedo dwaro ler mar kaka kuonde mane ochungi e yiero nyalo mana bedo ni ne ohinyo ombulu ne jolar kom tend piny Kenya ma okombe mamoko bende.
And what happens when a voter goes to vote, they get 6 ballots. So it's 6 ballots into 6 ballot boxes. What we have then is 6 different elections, but on the same day. So if your argument is voter repression, then is the voter repression only to the presidential election? Or is that an argument that can be used by an MCA in Kakamega County?
Achiel kuom penjo mapek mado odiro ne okinde en madwaro ng'eyo ni to en ang'o momiyo commissioners ang'wen ma obalo gi dwoko mane olandi gi jakom margi Afula Chebukati ne onyiedhore oko mane odiochieng' mogik malando dwoko kamotelo to ne gin giwegi ne gisomo ne jo Kenya dwoko achiel kachiel.
We saw your clans in public reading out results. And that's what I'm calling my acquiescence question. They did all these things until the 11th hour. What evidence do we have that it's not an afterthought, that they're not doing this in good faith? What evidence do we have apart from the question of the instructions to cancel, the meeting they called? Why do we have anything showing that for the last 3-4 months they documented these grievances and that there was therefore a storm brewing?
Is this chairperson we are dealing with such a terror that nobody can face him and tell him you can't do this? Because now what we are hearing, these are serious disclosures.
Jalupo gai mar do to penjo ni to en karango ma IBC ne ochako bedie kod pogruok e kind commissioners mage.
When did this commission become this dysfunctional? The effect of becoming that dysfunctional? What corrective measures were attempted, if any, and with what result? And we were told it looked like a video and drama.
Okinde mane opedho neno magi do odiochieng' mokwongo nyaka koro dhi tim ikruok mar keto ler ewi weche ma joyal buche opedho mondo mi gine ka ginyalo mino wach kendo mondo mi buro dok kodgi. Ken Muga, Ramogi TV.